So, good evening.
Good evening, Akshay.
Now, what is the principle when there is a name? Go to the name, right? Just search for the name in the paragraph. It can be an organization, a person, or a device, whatever. Whenever a name happens, you see in the heading word or the keyword of the question, you have to immediately go into that portion of the text. Welcome back to Edu Skills. So it made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work and share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET.
Nine. What particularly impressed Bob MaCarly of Harvard Medical School? A. The effectiveness of adenosine as a sedative. B. The influence of caffeine on adenosine receptors. Copyright the simultaneous production of adenosine and adenosine receptors. D. The extent to which adenosine levels fall when subjects are allowed to sleep. In 1997, Bob MaCarly and colleagues at Harvard Medical School found that when they kept cats awake by playing with them, a compound known as adenosine increased in the basal forebrain as the sleepy felines stayed up longer, and slowly returned to normal levels when they were later allowed to sleep. MaCarly's team also found that administering adenosine to the basal forebrain acted as a sedative, putting animals to sleep. It should come as no surprise then that caffeine, which blocks adenosine's receptor, keeps us awake. Teaming up with Bashir and others, MaCarly later discovered that, as adenosine levels rise during sleep deprivation, so do concentrations of adenosine receptors, magnifying the molecule's sleep-inducing effect. The brain has cleverly designed a two-stage defense against the consequences of sleep loss. MaCarly says, adenosine may underlie some of the cognitive deficits that result from sleep loss. MaCarly and colleagues found that infusing adenosine into rats' basal forebrain impaired their performance on an attention test, similar to that seen in sleep-deprived humans. But adenosine levels are by no means the be-all and end-all of sleep deprivation's effects on the brain or the body.
Okay, now I'm going to teach you a very new method. Now, from the question, Sam, what is important here?
Impressed, particularly impressed.
Impressed. What does it speak about? Impression, impressed?
Emotions.
Emotion. And Bob
Bob
MaCarly, the name, Bob MaCarly, the name is also important. Now the options.
Effectiveness, sedative.
Effectiveness of adenosine as a sedative. Okay. Yeah, influence of caffeine. Yeah. Simultaneous production of adenosine and adenosine receptors. Okay. Adenosine and adenosine receptors, two things. Okay. And is there the extent to which adenosine levels fall when subjects are allowed to sleep? Adenosine levels fall. Okay. Now the thing is this: what are they asking? They are asking what particularly impressed Bob MaCarly. Now tell me where you have the names. Bob MaCarly.
First line.
First line. Now they are asking about the impression of Bob MaCarly. First line, it is speaking about what?
Bob MaCarly and colleagues.
Bob MaCarly and colleagues, and our question is not about colleagues, only about Bob MaCarly. Okay. Now again, you have somewhere here.
Bob MaCarly's team.
Yeah, MaCarly's team. Again, it says MaCarly's team, but question is not about MaCarly's team. It's only about MaCarly's impression. This is the strategy that you will find repeatedly in OET. Okay. So when there is a name, typically a name, this can be called as moving from general to particular or moving from plural to singular. Okay, differentiating between singular to plural to singular. Now, where do you have MaCarly? Do you have anywhere only MaCarly?
MaCarly later discovered.
Yeah, MaCarly
Later
discovered.
Brain has cleverly designed.
Okay, brain has cleverly designed. Where is it? Yeah, brain has cleverly designed. Okay. Then before that, MaCarly later discovered.
that.
Okay. MaCarly discovered that as adolescent levels rise during sleep deprivation, so do concentration of adenosine. See, so do adenosine levels, so do concentration of adenosine receptors. Both are there. Okay. They're speaking about MaCarly. Immediately you have later discovered. Okay. And
Yes.
molecular sleep. Magnifying the molecule sleep inducing effect. Okay. Cleverly designed. Brain has cleverly designed means, see, Shanmuga has cleverly planned her studies. Means I am impressed, right? When I give you an impression that Shanmuga has cleverly planned her OET studies, which means I am impressed. I am impressed about our plan. So this strategy you should be very particular. When there are many men, the team or the group or association and a particular person, if they are asking about a particular person's impression, just ignore other things and directly go to that particular name where you have only the name, not the team. Is that clear?
Yes,
Okay.
Father.
Now you see, MaCarly and colleagues, MaCarly and team, we are not bothered about what MaCarly and colleagues found, what MaCarly and team found, but we are bothered about MaCarly later discovered. Again, what is later? Sequential expression. And I said, whenever there is any sequential expression, normally answer will be there around. And this is clear, I hope.
Yes, Father.
Yeah, now you see how beautifully it is put up. See, was particularly impressed by MaCarly. Okay, in the influence of caffeine on adenosine receptors, no surprise. Text says no surprise. No, where is it? No surprise. Somewhere text says it's no surprise that caffeine. No surprise means we are not impressed, right?
Yes.
The second option
Yes.
says we are not surprised. No surprise. No impression.
It should
And
come no
action to-
surprise.
Yeah. Subjects have allowed to sleep, fall, return to school. We will come to that strategy. Structure, you see. Findings of team versus MaCarly. Findings discussed. As I said, the paragraph structure. The two things are discussed in the paragraph. Findings of team and findings of MaCarly. And we are asked to speak, asked about only MaCarly's findings. Finding 1, Bob MaCarly and colleagues. Finding 2, MaCarly's team. And finding 3, MaCarly discovered. MaCarly discovered. That's the conclusion. This is a beautiful strategy that you have. See, findings of Bob MaCarly and colleagues at Harvard Medical School versus findings of MaCarly. See, Bob MaCarly and colleagues found. We are not bothered about them. MaCarly's team also found. We are not bothered about team. MaCarly later discovered. So this is the strategy that you have to be very careful. And reading for emotions, the brain cleverly designed impression, right? Emotion. Name,
Yes.
Bob MaCarly. Sequential expression, later. Synonyms, found and discovered. Plural versus singular, team versus MaCarly.
MaCarly.
Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Now